Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Talia and today's video is going to be a DIY. So I do not know what I will be naming this video yet, but basically what I will be doing is I will be taking my black mirror. So my mirror has a black border and I will be replacing that with marble wallpaper. So before we get started, I just want to tell you guys what I will be using today, and to be really honest, I have not seen anyone do this. If I do find any videos, I will probably link them down below, but I really don't have any idea how I will do it. But I did get inspiration from a picture that I saw on Instagram. So the mirror, like the border of the mirror was marble, and then it just was a really beautiful vanity mirror, like with the Hollywood lights like all around, and I just thought it was so beautiful. So I will also be showing you guys what my current beauty station looks like, and as you guys can see, or you guys will be able to see, the only thing that kind of throws it off is that my freaking mirror is black. So not that it's a big deal and not that it's like killing me, but I just want everything to look a little bit more uniform. So that's why I went ahead and purchased these items. So the wallpaper that I bought and the Hollywood lights are both from Amazon. I bought these about a week ago now, so I've been dying to do this project, but I honestly don't know how I'm gonna go about it. All that I have with me are scissors, so I will try to film as much as possible. And it's pretty late right now, it's like 11 at night, so if it gets really late, I'll probably just pick up tomorrow morning or whatever, or whenever I get back from school. For both items, I paid less than $40. The lights were $31.99 before tax, and they came in this box. And the wallpaper was $7.15. So I will be linking both items down below in case this works out and you want to try it yourself. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so the first thing that I have done is I have put a t-shirt over the mirror just so that I'm not blinding you guys when I'm doing this. And also I'm stretching out the roll to however long I feel is like the right amount, and then leaving a little bit more space just in the case that I might have cut it too short. So here I am cutting it, and then what I did is I cut it into 4 equal parts, and this is what I used all around each of the sides. So the first side that I'm doing, as you guys can see here, was so hard to do. Like, you guys, that side alone took me like 45 minutes. The whole project took me about an hour and a half to do, but that side, y'all, I was sweating. I had to go put my hair up. But like I said, it got a lot easier as I kept doing it. I mean, it was my first time ever doing anything like this or attempting to do anything like this, and for this side I did get a lot of air bubbles, but the rest of the sides came out so beautifully that like you can't even tell that that one's the ugly duckling. So I don't really care, and I'm like just so happy with the outcome, and I hope you guys try this. And if you guys do, please let me know what you guys think in the comments. These mirrors are so expensive, but this new trick that I came up with is like so inexpensive and just looks so good compared to, you know, paying $200 or $300. So I went ahead and did that for all 4 sides. Okay guys, so now that I am finally done putting the wallpaper all around the mirror, I'm really happy with it. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what it's going to look like with the lights. And I know that this looks weird, you guys are like, what? But I did have to put a t-shirt so that I'm not blinding you guys. But I'm so happy. It didn't come out like perfect, but it's like no one's gonna be able to tell, only I could tell because it's my mirror. I'm gonna be opening the box now with the lights. I haven't even opened this, you guys, which is so crazy. Like, I hope everything is good because there's actually like light bulbs in here, and I hope none of them are broken. Okay, so this thing comes with instructions, so that's cool. And I guess that I'm technically supposed to just glue these on. It's telling me how to do it. So it's telling me that this is like the way, I mean, technically I can do it however the hell I want, but it's saying that this would be like the correct way to do it. So I don't know if you guys could see that because I'm pretty far away. So this is what it says.
Open the package and take out the item carefully. Determine the locations where the bulbs are to be stuck. Clean the surface and mark as shown in figure 1. For example, please note that the distance between each bulb should not be greater than 40 centimeters. Peel off the films of the double-sided tapes as shown in figure 2. Fix the first bulb according to the mark and then rotate the bulbs to shorten the wires. And adhere the bulbs
onto the surface one by one according to the marks. Okay, so we're gonna see what's going on. do have, like, they're not, like, have you guys ever seen like the vanity mirrors that are so beautiful, so expensive, and like the bulbs are like, they don't have any wires, or maybe they do but the wires are in the back? I really don't know. These do have wires, and I really don't mind. Oh shit. Okay, so the bulbs are all here and none of them look broken, so that's amazing. I'm so excited. What the fuck? Okay, so it also comes with a dimmer. So this is the power cable, I'm guessing, and this is what I will be hooking it up to. Okay, so now I have to start placing the bulbs where I want them to go. So okay, so I will be speeding up like through this process, just so you guys aren't like just so you guys don't see me doing this for like 20 years, because it took me forever to freaking get the wallpaper on this. But by the time you guys see it, I should have shortened it like by I don't know how many minutes. It says that, like, as you guys can see, like, there's a lot of string in between them, right? So it says that you can actually rotate this so that like there's less string. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, just so that like my vanity's not looking freaking crazy. Okay guys, so this is a quick before of my vanity situation. So as you guys can see, my Alex drawers, my chair, my desk is white except for my mirror. So that's the only thing that I do not like, is that my mirror is black. I have said before in the past that like I wanted a black vanity situation, but it's just like I've never seen one that I like and all of that. So hi Joshua. Hello. Oh my god, thank you. Look at this, you guys. Josh, it's so beautiful. Thank you. So yeah, I've never seen one that I like or whatever the case may be, so it's okay. I'm just gonna stick with the whole white thing. But the mirror bugs me, like it's been bugging me for so long. So I am gonna be showing you guys how I add like the, what is that, the marble wallpaper. So I hope it works out, and if it does, you guys will see the end result, as well as with the mirrors, with the lights. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay you guys, so now that it's focused, this is the finished look. So as you guys can see, it looks a lot better. I'm gonna bring you guys up close because unfortunately I couldn't really like show you guys what it looked like. So if this thing will focus, so like I said, the strings wrap around the bulbs, but what I ended up doing was I ended up going with tape. I want you guys to be able to see. Hold on. Oh my god, please focus. Okay, there. So as you guys can see here, this is tape. So I went ahead and taped it down, and I went ahead and did that all around. So that's what I went ahead and did, and I'm not gonna lie, I did I did just go ahead and power it on because I like could not help myself. Joshua, say hi. No. Okay, so oh my god you guys, I can't believe it. So this is what it looks like without the lights on. Okay, this is what it looks like. And then this is the little power adapter here. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh my god. So this is what it looks like on. And I love that the light is so like cool. Like it's an actual white light. Like if you can see my light here, that one is just warm as fuck. I'm so excited. I can't wait to like do my makeup in this lighting. Like I can't even believe that I freaking got all of this for less than $60, because the wallpaper was like $10, the lights were like $30, and then the mirror was like $20. So definitely will leave everything that I use down below in the description box in case you guys are interested. And until next time, I will see you guys all in my next video. So please subscribe if you're new. My name is Talia, and I'll see you guys next time.